How to transfer money between your Wise balances. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you got multiple currencies in your Wise account, well, in today's video I'll show you how to transfer money between your Wise balances, whether it's converting from American dollar to euros or the Dubai currency to the euros or anything else. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Wise app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the home or the balances tab to see the different currencies that you are currently holding in your Wise account. And after that, you can just tap on the convert button next to the currency that you want to convert from, and this lets you move money between your own balances. Now, simply select the currency that you want to convert to, for example, converting from US dollars to euros or into pounds. And after that, simply enter the amount that you want to convert, and Wise will show you the real exchange rate, the small fee, and the final amount you will get. So here, review the details and just tap on convert to finish. And after that, once the convert is finished, your new balance will be updated right away, and you will now see the converted amount in your destination currency and the deducted amount in your original one. And if you're planning to spend with your Wise card, converting in advance can help you lock in better rate and avoid surprise fee. And that's it. That's how you can transfer money between your Wise balances. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.